Hey everyone, Troy here. This is Tremble by Mosaic, and just like most of the other playthroughs and tutorials I do, I'm trying to combine the best of each of the guitar parts. So you have some ambient stuff in there, you have the kind of basic open string part on the chorus, and then the kind of wet part that goes through the rest of the song. Did the best I could to kind of combine them. Even during the kind of breakdown before the bridge, I played the keys part on the guitar, so there's a little filler there for you. The song is not that difficult, but it's really, really cool. The words are really powerful. It's a very worshipful song, so I was really excited to tackle this one. This one was actually a request from somebody that bought one of the Strymon packs. Tremble was not in there, and he was asked if I could make a preset for that song. I was like, yeah, hey, sure, no problem. So it took me a couple days to kind of get to it, and then I got to it and listened to the song more, and it's like, wow, I really like this. I listened to the Bethel version on YouTube, and never really ventured to the original version, and I heard it and thought it was great, so decided to make a playthrough of that song for you. So here it is, Tremble by Mosaic. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Chorus. Chorus.